I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your identity with AT&T, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the verification process, make sure you have your account number, phone number, and any personal identification details ready. This will help speed up the process. Step 2. Visit the AT&T website. Go to the official AT&T website and navigate to the login section. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Access the identity verification section. Once logged in, look for the identity verification section under your account settings. This is where you will initiate the verification process. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Before starting recovery, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm your identity. After completing the prompts, confirm your identity by clicking the final confirmation button. If everything checks out, you should receive a confirmation message. Remember, if you encounter issues, double-check that the phone number you provided matches the one on file with AT&T. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get through the process smoothly.